Slide 1. Introduction to AI and Python. Introduce the concept of AI agents and how they can be created using Python. Explain why Python is a popular choice for this task. Slide 2. Setting up your environment. Guide viewers on setting up their Python environment. Include instructions on installing necessary libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Slide 3. Basic AI concepts. Define key terms in AI such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Use a simple analogy to explain these concepts. Slide 4. Creating a simple AI agent. Show how to create a basic AI agent using Python. Provide a code snippet that initializes an agent with a simple neural network architecture. Slide 5. Training the AI agent. Explain the process of training an AI agent, including data preparation and loss functions. Use a real-world example to illustrate this step. Slide 6. Testing the AI agent. Demonstrate how to test the AI agent with different inputs and outputs. Include code snippets for evaluation metrics like accuracy or precision. Slide 7. Advanced topics in AI. Discuss more advanced topics such as deep learning, neural networks, and machine learning algorithms. Use a real-world scenario to connect these concepts. Slide 8. Real-world applications of AI agents. Explore how AI agents are used in various industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Provide examples of successful applications. Slide 9. Conclusion. Summarize the key points covered in the tutorial and encourage viewers to explore further resources for building more complex AI agents. Slide 10. Q&A session. Provide a section where viewers can ask questions about AI, Python, or any other aspect of the tutorial.